Long, upturned lashes don't just make your eyes look bigger, they're a timeless symbol of youth, beauty, and charm. Want naturally longer, thicker, and healthier lashes without expensive treatments? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll reveal exactly what makes eyelashes grow and share simple, expert-approved steps you can do at home to boost your lash game naturally. Let's get started. How to make eyelashes grow. Apply organic beeswax or oils like castor, coconut, olive, or vitamin E to your upper lash line daily using a clean wand. These natural ingredients hydrate, strengthen, and protect lashes, reducing breakage and supporting growth. Use nightly for up to 12 weeks for best results. Moisturize your lashes daily with a pea-sized amount of aloe vera gel. It hydrates and strengthens hair follicles, which may help promote lash growth over time. Apply a lash growth serum daily to your upper lash line, like Grande Lash MD or Lash Food. These serums help prolong the lash growth phase, making lashes longer and stronger. Apply at night on clean, dry skin using the applicator like eyeliner. Avoid the lower lash line and stop use if irritation occurs. Consistency is key for best results. Clean your lashes 1 to 2 times a day using a spoolie, a clean mascara wand, to remove debris, oils, and dead skin. Brushing helps keep lashes healthy and may support growth. It's a simple, cost-effective habit you can do daily, especially before bed. Use a lash-boosting mascara with pro-peptides or nourishing ingredients instead of regular formulas, which can dry out and weaken lashes. Look for keywords like peptide, nutrient-rich, or lash-boosting to support healthier, fuller lash growth. Give your eyelashes a break from mascara and other makeup products. Over time, thick coats of makeup or heavy lash extensions can put too much pressure on your hair follicles and damage your fragile lashes. Always remove your makeup before bed to prevent lash breakage and irritation. Be gentle to protect your natural lashes. Gently massage your eyelids for 1 to 2 minutes daily to boost blood flow and support lash growth. Use clean fingers and light circular motions along the lash line. Eat a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals like biotin, vitamin E, and omega-3s. Foods like leafy greens, avocado, fish, and nuts can help support healthy lash growth. If your lashes are weak or brittle, consider taking supplements like biotin or collagen to support growth. Consult your doctor first to ensure they're safe and suitable for you. If natural methods aren't working, consider a prescription lash treatment like Lash. Apply it once daily to your upper lash line using the sterile applicator. Results may appear in 4 to 8 weeks, with full effects by 16 weeks. Possible side effects include redness or darkening of the eyelid or iris. Consult your doctor before starting and continue regular use to maintain results. And how to make your eyelashes appear longer. Prep your lashes by brushing them upward with a clean spoolie to separate and define. Then, gently curl them from base to tip using an eyelash curler for a fuller look. For a longer, fuller look, apply a lifting and volumizing mascara. Start at the lash base and wiggle the wand upward to coat thoroughly. Layer dry over dry for thickness. Let each coat set before applying the next for best results. After applying mascara, use the wand tip or an eyelash comb to separate and define each lash for a more polished, clump-free look. Get a lash tint to make your lashes look darker, fuller, and longer for up to 6 weeks. It's a salon treatment that can be more cost-effective than mascara. Get a professional lash lift to curl straight lashes and make them look longer and fuller. Results typically last 6 to 8 weeks. Thanks for watching.